Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Freshdesk with Zapier for AI Ticket Triage detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Freshdesk with Zapier for AI Ticket Triage, begin by logging into your Freshdesk account. Next, navigate to your Zapier account. If you do not have a Zapier account, create one by signing up on their website. Once logged into Zapier, click on the Make a Zap button on your dashboard. In the Trigger App search bar, type Freshdesk and select it from the list. Choose the appropriate trigger event, such as New Ticket. Click the Continue button to proceed. Next, connect your Freshdesk account by clicking on the Sign In to Freshdesk button. You will be prompted to enter your Freshdesk subdomain and API key. You can find your API key in your Freshdesk account settings. Once you have entered the required information, click on Yes, Continue. You will then be asked to test your Freshdesk trigger. Once the test is successful, click on the Continue button. Now, it's time to set the Action app. In the Action app search bar, type AI or the specific AI tool you are using. Select the appropriate action that corresponds with your AI tool. Choose the action event that you wish to use, such as Process Ticket. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will need to connect your AI tool account at this point. Enter the required credentials and click on Yes, Continue. Map the fields from Freshdesk to the AI tool. Make sure that relevant ticket details are included. Click Continue after you have completed mapping. Zapier will then prompt you to test the action. After a successful test, click on the Turn on Zap button. Your Freshdesk account is now connected to your AI tool via Zapier. You have successfully set up AI Ticket Triage for your Freshdesk tickets using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.